Good morning, third grade. Happy Monday. I hope you're doing fantastic. I wanted to go over some vocabulary and certain things that you're going to need to know today for science. I've got Kaylee in the background working. Say hi. Just wave hi.
Hi.
All right, I'm going to flip my screen around really quick so I can go over some stuff with you. So you are going to be able to see this today. So we're going to learn about plant structure and functions. So right here it says structure. So a structure is the specific parts of an organism. So that are basically when you have a diagram and you're pointing to all the parts, that's the structure. So here is the ladybug structure, and then here's the plant structure. So that's your leaf, your root, your stem, and then the function is the specific jobs that organism or parts of organisms have. So ladybugs, when you have these structures, that's like the antenna. The function of the antenna is, and then you would describe it. So we are going to learn about the plant functions. So the structure of the plant are the parts. The function is what those parts do. Here's some things that plants for sure need in order to survive. They need soil. Plants use soil as an anchor to hold themselves in place. Minerals in the soil are utilized by plants in the growth process, and plants use soil to protect their roots. Air. Plants use carbon dioxide from the air in the food-making process, which is also called photosynthesis. Some plants utilize the wind as a method of distributing seeds. So when a full-grown plant, little flowers that have seeds in the middle, when it's windy outside, it'll distribute those seeds to other places and then other flowers can grow. Plants also need water. Water is used to help move minerals through the plant veins and provide nourishment for the plant. Plants use water in the food-making process, which is also called photosynthesis. They also need sunlight. Sunlight is used by the plant to make food. Heat from the sun is needed for plant seeds to grow and for plant warmth. So those are a few things that you need to know today for science. I look forward to seeing your learning this week. There will be another video tomorrow to show you a little bit more. Have a good day.